Verbs. The mood of a verb is the manner in which the action or condition is conceived or intended. Indicative. A verb stating an apparent fact or asking a question. Imperative. A verb stating a command or request. Subjunctive. A verb expressing a doubt, desire, supposition, or condition contrary to fact. Indicative. The sky is clear tonight. Imperative. So, run. Subjunctive. If I were in your position, I would do the same.